Hello, in today's video, I show you how to debadge any FiveM car with Blender and CodeWalker. My guidebook and description that help you. First, go to folder that have your car file. Then open CodeWalker RPF Explorer. Go to Mods folder. Drag and drop the car file to your Mods folder. Now export all file as XML. Go to Blender and import car YFD file as XML. Hide the collision mesh. Select the car mesh and go to Edit mode. Select all faces that have the car logo and delete them. Repeat same steps for the backside. Select the car mesh and export him as XML. Repeat all steps for the car high YFD and export him as XML. Go to Exports folder and drag and drop XML to your Mods folder in RPF Explorer. Then extract file to your stream folder and restart your server and enjoy. This is all for today. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you find all my guidebook for FiveM in description to support me.